Hey guys, over here in Irvine, same Deerfield community. They hired us to repair about 40 of their walls, repairing all the cracks and restubbling all these sides over here, just like that side. But that contractor, which they used a few years ago, was horrible. So now we're taking their place to do a better job and provide a better service so we can be more happy and do it in a timely manner. They took about 2 years to do that. Now with Premier, we're gonna get this done in 2 weeks. You can see we're coming down from that way. They're doing the demo. My masonry guy, Martin, there is gonna repair the wall, get them built again. So my plaster guys can come back and plaster the whole entire wall to make it brand spanking new. Check it out. Keep your eye out for us in Irvine, Deerfield community. Hey guys, we're here in Deerfield, beautiful Irvine, California. This is our second big project for the HOA development here, which hired us to do all of their walls. You remember seeing the old, now we spruced it up to make it look all brand new. Came out excellent. This is one of the 23 walls that we redid. We basically tore it down to the bare bones, fixed all the cracks that all these roots that we're creating, and we retextured it. Poly prep to apply for the first coat, then we used the scratch coat, brown coat, and again with the finish coat. Provided them a lifetime warranty, and they are stoked. Not only are they stoked, most of these homeowners that we work with, which is on the other side, are stoked and gave us great reviews because they were just amazed that we provided great service. You know, we do work with a lot of these homeowners. We are aware of what's needed and the type of care that's needed to do a great job. Both sides were happy. Old contractor, you can see they did that a couple years ago, did a horrible job. Unsatisfied, there's cracks in the wall, there's all kinds of problems that they have. It took them a couple of years to do that. We got it done in 2.5 weeks. I think they're going through a horrible time with the contractor, might even a lawsuit. We jumped in the mix, we gave them a good bid, everybody's super happy. And actually we signed another contract to do their pool deck. So you guys are gonna be seeing that coming up soon. And you can see it came out good. So check us out on the next one, guys. We'll see you on the pool deck.